Hey guys, welcome back to Pep Guy the Troll. Today I'm going to be playing Toka Kitchen. So basically what you do in this game is serve plates to people. So there's 4 people. So there's a cat, a person, a bull, and a girl. So let's start with the bull. So I'm joined with the Springy. And you can see the fridge, there is also those characters over there. So let's make him hay and a carrot. So first the hay, let's
I want to install Toka vlogs, but I can't.
just
It's
download
like
from
Minecraft, but
okay, so let's cook this in the frying pan. I think that is done. This, let's cut it. So let's cut that part, then this part. Okay, but that's not all. Let's put that there. Okay, so you can eat that. Oops, I almost forgot some salt and pepper. Yeah, sure.
That was cool.
So he likes that. So how do you like this? A satisfied customer. Now let's do the cat. Look how cute the cat is.
Did the boy like it?
No, I did the
Oh, super kawaii.
what's it called? The bull. So it likes a fish.
Wait, it says allow Toka Kitchen 2 to make and manage.
Yeah, right, allow. So first thing what I'm gonna do with this
So
is I'm
like
gonna cut it.
if I'm calling Lorraine, it still lets me to play it.
Yeah. So just cut that.
Because I sometimes can't do music while I'm talking to Lorraine or anything.
Yeah. Let's microwave this as well.
Hi Lorraine, by the way. Wait, what? What's that? What is that?
I'm microwaving the sausage.
That sausage looks fat.
Not now. I'm sorry, but it's not now. I still need to do the fishy. So let's fry it. The fish looks good.
My screen is just white.
No. Also need to cut its head. Poor fish. Okay, there we go. So eat the sausage. You can eat the fish and the rest of the sausage. Oh, she likes it. You can have the head now if you want.
Why is my screen like this?
Ooh,
Is this normal?
I just go out of the app and go back in.
That's what I did like 2 times.
Try it again. Let's start with the girl. So I'll give her the beef and a tomato. What? Okay. Beef, tomato. So the first thing I'll do with the beef. So for the vibrating. There we go. So that, and also let's fry tomato. Yeah. So you eat this. And let's do a lot of pepper on it. So you can hear him probably playing Toka Kitchen 2, which I'll be making a video of. And now we're doing the boy. So
I don't know why, but do you see like a keyboard here? See the V? Yeah. Then over here you see like stuff. Is that normal?
I don't know. So
I
let's
don't know,
give
at
him a
least it
pear.
works.
That, and let's also give him another potato, an egg.
Okay.
So let's
Wait, do you
blend the
have a
egg.
cat?
Yes.
The first one? Oh, because I only have 3 characters in the second
Yeah.
one.
Let's fry this.
And you have a girl like this.
No, they're all different.
Look at
Let's fry
her.
that. And now let's make the extreme potato. First,
I love this.
First, we cut this potato.
What do you call it in English?
Then we boil the potato.
Really?
Then, when you finish boiling the potato, you fry it. Then, when it's fried, you put it in the microwave for 10 seconds. Then, when you're done, you blend it. And it becomes the extreme potato. And he likes it. So there you go, guys. That's Toka Kitchen 1. But don't worry, there's more Toka Kitchen games. There's Toka Kitchen 2 and other ones.
Which I'm playing right now.
So hope you enjoyed the video. Like for more. Purple out.